What's up, YouTube? It's your girl SB, and you're rocking in with Therealsb TV. So today I am coming to you guys with a how-to video showing you how to apply your wig for beginners. So I'm looking a little rough right now. I done braided down my hair already. I'm gonna be talking to you guys as I go, explaining what I'm doing, not why I'm doing it. I am not an expert. I'm not gonna do too much talking. Let's just get straight into the video. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So I just did that to get like my little hairs down, child, or whatever that was freezing in the front. I don't know if it really do nothing, but I just do it just to get it out the way. So you want to pull your cap so you can see. I can't even see. So you want to pull your cap so you can like try to see like where your hairline starts at or whatever. What I normally do is do the cap part by sections, because I need all this to lay down too. So I'm gonna do the front part, blow dry it, cut around it, then do the side pieces. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is just cutting off the excess, but making sure that I stay like right above my hairline and just following through. So I spray a little on my fingers, and this way like the cap can blend, you see, instead of look like this going around, you just put it and go like that so the cap can blend in with your little skin, child. So I noticed that I don't have any needle. Well, I have thread, I just don't have a needle. So I just tied a knot in the back for this, and then I'm gonna just cut right here and just hopefully it holds the back down. Why not just do that? So now I'm just gonna apply glue. I don't want the wig, I want the wig on, but I don't want it on. So I'm only gonna do 2 coats of the glue to get it on. So with the glue, I let this air dry until it's clear, so until all the white goes. So as this drying, I'm gonna go ahead and comb the hairs of my wig to the back. Spray a little got to be on it, so like the flyaways can stay down, and then I'm gonna put clips to hold the hair back as I focus on putting it on. I'm barely pressing it, so don't put a lot, put it lightly, because you know it makes the hair hard.
Hey G, I fuck with
Okay, so I put the elastic band on so I can go ahead and start getting the melt process of it down. So for this part, you want to sew these down. I don't sew my back down. Like I said, I want them on, but I don't want it on. But if you want it to be on for a minute, you can sew your sides and your back down. These little pieces, that goes like behind my ear. So that'll be fine. So if you want, you can sew it down. Make sure this is tight, you guys. You want it to be as tight as possible so it's pressing down into the lace and melting it to your scalp. I should work on my part now. I think I'm gonna start working on my part now. This part, I don't know if my part's great. That looks great to me. Fuck it. We just gonna do it like this.
Hey G, I fuck with this.
And I'm just taking out all my hairs that I'm going to use for my baby hairs so I can decorate them little things. So I put my hair back and go back in with my little elastic and lay them things down.
Hey G, I fuck with this. Hey G, I'm fuck with it.
Yes. And I did not end up sewing my back down. I just clipped the back of it into my hair. That's back there, child. Left like that. And this is how it looked in the back. And then I got like a hook thing, so I just hooked that piece too. So it's not loose, it's just right. Like it's not loose. I didn't end up having to cut that much. You really can't see anything. Yes. I ran out of move, so this is the look now, how my curls is. Let's see. See, and then when I flick it back, you can't really see. Well, you can see a little bit, like right there, but, well, let me see. When I flick it a little bit back, and from this angle, you can't see that the back is not sewn down. It's just there. Final look. This is like, I'm not gonna lie, say my first, but this is like my this is like my third time I attempt to put my own wig on by myself. I just feel like with time and practice, you do get better with it. Everybody has their own technique. Some people might be like, oh my God, what are you doing? You doing this? Listen, I am not a hairstylist. This is not what I do. I just wanted my wig on and I wanted to look cute. Simple. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.